When designing communication for self-driving vehicles, it's really important to have a global standard because these cars will be everywhere. You don't want to have a car speaking one communication language in one country and a different language in another country, because if you do, there are risks of misunderstanding. All you want to know is when you're coming up on the crossing as a pedestrian, can I cross or not? You have to have something that you can read with one glance or two. What we really need is 3 or 4 key sounds that tell you whether it's safe to cross. Now, one of these sounds is, of course, telling the driver or the pedestrians around you, it's safe to go, I'm standing still right here, I do not intend to move. The proposal we have in the 360C concept is really based on that. A low frequency sound, that's something big, so it's the car, and a slow pulse, so it's really oscillating very, very slowly, which indicates you're standing still. I know the guy who designed this sound coined it the breathing whale. It's just standing there breathing very slowly, and you feel it's safe to cross. You will need to show that the car is intending to slow down well before the car actually has to slow down to stop in a particular place. A rhythm that slows down, that goes tick, 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 tick. Pretty much universally people interpret as slowing down. And vice versa. If you're accelerating, if you play that sequence backwards and you go tick, 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 then you have acceleration. You want the visuals to mimic that, so they will go faster and then go slower as the sound slows down. And if you place the visuals in a good place, like on the 360C, this light band is fairly high on the vehicle. It's bright, so you can see it in daylight. Then you get a good reinforcement of the sound signals and vice versa. The two in tandem is really the key.